Here's the Nokia Lumia 925. This is the second Nokia Lumia I get from T-Mobile, and this one has the same exact issue. You're listening to music, a call comes in or a text message comes in, and there's you hear a long, loud crackling sound, and then it goes to one speaker sound. Here, we'll go down here. That's the left channel. If you go to the right channel, no sound. And this is a stereo video camera, so you can hear it if you put on your headphones. And I've written Nokia, I've contacted corporate care, waiting for a response. They're going to review the issue. But let me tell you, this sucks. I am tired of this from Nokia. This is the second phone. I am within the 14 days buyer remorse period with T-Mobile. And I'm going to return it, which I don't want to because I love this phone. It's an incredible phone. And it's really the best Nokia phone, and I think it's the only real Nokia phone that T-Mobile carries next to the 521, which has no flash. It's a good phone, but you don't have the AMOLED screen and the big screen and tons of other features. But anyways, that's an issue, and that's my review for today on this. Hopefully Nokia will fix this ASAP. Have a great day.